Hello everyone, today's recipe video is very special because this video is made for giving tribute Sidhu Moosewala ji, because I read about him, about his food actually. Butter chicken has been one of favorite food for him. So this video is dedicated for Sidhu Moosewala ji. I have given a link about where I found about him, and I have uploaded one video in Hindi version too, so you can find out the link below. So let's start how to make this favorite dish. First, let's begin with the chicken. Here is some chunks of chicken here. I am adding a little bit garlic paste, ginger paste, some salt to taste, red chilli powder. Give it a nice mix. Well, I am going to marinate this chicken pieces 15 to 20 minutes. Well, now chicken has been marinated for some time. Now let's start pan frying this. Take some oil. Now oil is medium hot. Let's start frying this chicken pieces very well. In between, keep tossing. Now the chicken is almost done. Transfer this into another plate. I have cut this onion very roughly because it's going into mixture grinder. Now in the same pan or in the different pan in which we cook the chicken goes in the chopped onion. And now I am going to add a little bit butter, because since it's butter chicken, we're gonna add full spoon of butter. We're gonna slightly saute this onion. We are almost ready. Next goes in roughly cut tomatoes, and along with this we're gonna add in some cashew nuts. Once it's everything mixed, we're gonna add some water. Next goes malt vinegar, garam masala powder, some salt, red chilli powder. I'm gonna evenly mix this. Now this mixture nicely mix and ready. Let this mixture simmer at least 15 to 20 minutes. Till the time entire things nicely and mushy, so that we can run into the mixture grinder to make a fine paste. Now I blend it into fine paste pulp. It's a time to reheating the gravy and let this cook for a while. Now it's a time where goes in butter, kastori methi and cream. First goes in this butter. Mix it very well. Next goes in this cream, about 4 tablespoon cream. Mix it very well too. Next goes in chicken finally. Mix it well. Now it's time to add some salt. Finally goes in crushed methi. Let this gravy simmer 5 to 7 minutes at least. And here you have butter chicken just done it. Now let's start to dish out. Now garnish with some fresh cream and some crushed kastori methi too. Now our butter chicken is ready to eat and serve. This video was especially dedicated to Sidhu Moosewala ji. You also enjoy it and make this recipe. If you like my recipe, you can subscribe my channel, like my video and share it. Next time we will meet with you with the next recipe. Bye.